Hey everyone, Carly here with Garden Design. Air plants are a great decoration for in and outside of your house because they require no soil, so they actually absorb all of their nutrients and their water through their leaves. Because of this, you can oftentimes see them in really cool arrangements like attached to driftwood, suspended from the ceiling, or grown in terrariums. And you can purchase them online from different retailers, and they can sell them by themselves or in groupings as well. And there's tons of different variations that you can pick from pops of color to different sculptural textures within the leaves themselves. A couple of the more interesting variations that we're going to be talking about are the Tillandsia xerigraphica, the Tillandsia ionantha, and the Tillandsia tectorum. So we're going to jump in and show you guys how to put them in arrangements on their own and in groupings as well. You want to show off what's unique to whatever individual plant that you're planting. And in this case, it's that it doesn't require any soil. So we can have a container and have it suspended right above on a wire frame. And you can do that with the various sizes of air plants, just depending on what size container you get. So if you want to go more of the DIY route, you can always purchase wood from your local hardware store. 2-inch by 2-inch redwood would work just fine. I like to use more if possible, just so that it gets that really great lush look and looks really full and complete at the end. So in caring for your air plants, you're going to want to water them once a week, and you can do this by submerging them in a bin of water for 6 to 12 hours, and you can do this individually or in a group. You can actually take this frame, this is a metal frame, and you can dunk it into the water, let it sit there for the 6 to 12 hours, take it out, and you can let it dry before taking it inside or just hang it right up on the wall. In regards to sunlight, you want to give these guys a lot of sunlight as long as you're in a climate that allows. I would say more so towards the coastal or the northern regions that doesn't get too hot, but they do love that bright light, and they really bloom best in that bright indirect sunlight as well. So if your arrangement's indoor, or if you have more so of a drier climate, you can always use a spray bottle to add additional moisture to your air plants or your arrangement. And when fertilizing, you can use this spray, and you can spray it directly onto the air plants themselves, or you can put it into that bin once a month and let it soak for that 6 to 12 hours. Because you have it indoors or more so of a climate that doesn't provide enough nutrients, these guys absorb everything through their leaves, so you just want to give it a little bit of an extra boost once a month. So that's it for air plants. Get out there and try one for yourself. You can put them on the stands, which you can place anywhere inside of your home, like countertops, shelves, tabletops, things like that. You can even work them into arrangements and hang them on the wall inside or outside of your house. Attach them to driftwood or suspend them from the ceiling. You have tons of options with air plants. And be sure to let us know about your experience in our comment section below. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks so much.